Curious about London's property market resilience and what it means for your next move? Then stay tuned to discover the latest trends and insights that could impact your real estate agent's decisions in 2025. As we approach 2025, the London property market shows cautious optimism. Buyer activity is on the rise and the sales pipeline is expanding. While affordability remains a challenge, it has improved compared to a year ago. Mortgage rates have declined from their recent peaks, and with inflation coming under control, pent-up demand is expected to drive modern price increases. Inflation began 2024 at 4% and has steadily decreased throughout the year. Despite a higher than expected reading of 2.3% in October, forecasts suggest it will remain close to the 2% target throughout 2025. Interest rates have fallen by 0.5% since August, from 5.25% to 4.75% in November, boosting market optimism. Whilst rates aren't expected to return to the lows of the past decade soon, they are projected to drop to 4% or lower by the end of 2025. Average asking prices for new sellers are predicted to rise by 4% in 2025, the highest forecast that we've had since 2021. London house prices have increased by 3.7% in the year to November, marking the fastest annual growth in 2 years, following the largest month-on-month rise since March 2022. Low unemployment levels combined with wage growth outpacing inflation are supporting the housing market. In Greater London, prime markets such as Fulham and Hackney are currently top performers. Moderate house price inflation coupled with strong wage growth is making home buying more affordable relative to income. Over the past year, average earnings have risen by 5%, outpacing house price growth. Mortgage costs are also lower than they were a year ago, which is encouraging news for buyers. In London, mortgage costs as a percentage of income fell from 42.1% to 35.7% between the third quarter of 2023 and the third quarter of 2024. However, affordability remains stretched for many, with prices still near record highs and interest rates likely to stay above the levels experienced over the past decade. The latest English Housing Survey reports 975,000 first-time buyers in England for 2023-2024, with 15% of those located here in London. Buyers are entering the housing market later on in life, with the average age of a first-time buyer now just under 34 years old. Homeownership remains a goal for many of these renters. 57% of private renters are expected to buy a property in the future, equating to 2.6 million households. A quarter of these renters are also looking to purchase a home within the next 2 years. Owner-occupiers report higher scores for life satisfaction, feeling of life being worthwhile, and happiness, whilst scoring lower for anxiety compared to other tenures. In summary, the London property market is demonstrating resilience with positive indicators for 2025. Whilst challenges in affordability persists, improvements in the economic factors and buyer sentiment suggests a stable and optimal outlook for the coming year. So what's your goals for moving within 2025? Let me know in the comments below. Take care.